In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com CRM. We'll set up a simple, effective CRM structure using workspaces and boards so you can start tracking leads and deals with clarity right away. Begin by signing into your Monday.com account and heading to the home area. From there, open the Workspaces panel on the left side. Workspaces act like folders for teams or projects, keeping your boards organized and permissions tidy. If you don't already have a dedicated space for your sales process, use the Workspace menu to create one now. Give it a clear, recognizable name so everyone on your team knows where CRM-related work lives. Inside your chosen workspace, look for the plus icon next to its name. This is where you add content to the workspace. Click it and choose Board. A board is the canvas where your CRM items, like leads, companies, or deals, will live. Name your board in a way that matches its purpose, such as Sales Pipeline or Leads Tracker. Good naming helps you search faster and keeps things consistent across your account. Next, set the privacy. Pick main if it should be visible to your entire account, private if only invited members should see it, or shareable if you plan to collaborate securely with people outside your organization. Choosing the right privacy setting up front prevents access issues later. You'll be prompted to select what you're managing in this board. Choose the option that best reflects your CRM needs. Think leads, accounts, or deals, so Monday.com can tailor the initial structure and make it easier to get started. When that looks right, create the board. Once your board opens, you'll see groups and an option to add items. Groups are your high-level categories or stages. Rename the default group title to match your workflow, like new leads or prospects. Clear, stage-based names make reports and filters much more meaningful. Then start adding items for individual leads or opportunities. Keep item names specific, like a company or contact name, so your board stays scannable. If your process includes multiple stages, add another group. For example, you might create qualification, negotiation, won, or lost. Tailor the groups to reflect how your team actually works rather than copying a generic pipeline. This alignment ensures your board becomes a daily management tool, not just a static list. As you go, keep names consistent, review privacy as your team grows, and refine group titles to mirror real-world steps. With your workspace set, a properly named board, the right privacy level, and groups that match your sales stages, you've laid a solid CRM foundation in Monday.com.